You know, the Bible says, give thanks to the Lord. Well, what is it again? In all things, give thanks to the Lord. Something like that. You know what? I'm thankful for the Lord today because even though this was a complete fail, I was able to make a video out of it. So, yeah, it's alright. By the title and the thumbnail, you already know that we are here to install the idoing head unit in the car, and I am super excited. You can't tell right now, but when we install it, you'll see. I'm mainly installing this for one reason. I'll talk about it later. For the time check, it is 10:32. I haven't touched anything in the car, and I just want to know and see how long it's going to take me, because this install, compared to the previous one with the dash cam, I think this one is pretty simple. All you have to do is remove some stuff, plug and play, put it back in. That's it. It's not supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to. We'll see about that. But I'm thinking by 3 p.m. I should be done. That's a long time. That's like 5 hours. But for me, it's pretty good. So we'll see. One thing though that I'm pretty mad about, and this is completely my fault. I bought the car a month ago and I didn't mind going through winter without using any floor mats. And this is the result. On the passenger side, you can see clearly that, yeah, it's supposed to be like this. And mind you, this is after cleaning. I just went to the car wash, they did the interior. I don't know if they did a good job or not, but I think we can still save this. Oh! Man, j'ai oublié. Oh my lord. This starts very well, people. I forgot about the double-sided tape. Fantastic. I need to go back home. Thing is over here, right over here, right here. Let me cut. There you go. This is what we need. So this is what comes with the box, but we need the tools to install this. So, let's not forget these little. Oh yeah, people, I came prepared. So this cost me about $70 or something. This cost me like $100. This is definitely necessary. Absolutely necessary to get the bolts that are. I'll show you later. And the time check. 11:40. So yeah, the removal of what apparently is the hardest bolt to remove in this entire installation. And the reason why I bought this is because not only it's long, this one moves, but it has a magnet into it. I already tried it. Let me show you actually. Here we have this thing. You can put it here. It doesn't matter what I do, it's not gonna fall. So when I'm gonna remove the bolt, I'm not gonna lose it over there, hopefully. I don't know if this is the exact size of the bolt I need to remove, but let's go and try. Okay, this is not the right size. It seems to be a bit too big. Yeah, it's too big. I had it all wrong. I had the wrong size. But now, it's a 10 millimeters. So, I taped up 10 millimeter that you need to move the bolt to this thing. It moves. Okay, let's try this. Oh, now this thing is moving. This thing is moving too much. Oh God, yo. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to try to remove this one first to see exactly how you remove it. This one's supposed to be easier than the other one. Whew. Whew. And time check. It's 4 p.m. Okay, so here is the situation. There are two bolts that are not only very, very hard to see, but they're extremely hard to get to. So what you need to use is an extension, the wrench, and I have this. Now, like I said earlier, what's really good about this one is that there's a magnet inside. Unfortunately for me, since I don't know anything about any of these things, I thought, well, it's just gonna work on anything, right? But no, you need the specific dimensions for whatever bolt is in there. And in this case, it's a 10 millimeter. So, here's a 10. For those of you who know, you know that they do not come black like this. The reason it is the way it is because I took this one, put it right here, and tape it with electrical tape. I don't know if that was the best option, but that's what I had. I tried to make it work somehow. That was like at 1. And then I went out to find the proper equipment or the proper tool, and I did it. It is annoying. It is very annoying, I'm not gonna lie to you. Remember at the beginning, in the first video, when I told you I was going to show the ups and downs? Well, here is a down. Well, it's a minor inconvenience, I'll say. Not really a down, but this is gonna get fixed. We just need the proper tool, and we're getting that tool. Now the problem also that I found is that I can't find the extensions that comes like this and are connected to this, which is very, very annoying. I'm not gonna throw away all this footage, so this is gonna be one video, a fail, or I just say learning curve. And for those of you wondering which bolt I'm talking about, that's it right there. That's the right side, the easy side. The left side is the harder one. That's it right there. And it's not like I can just put my hand over there. There is the airbag. I removed this little piece over here, and well, you don't even need to remove this one. I'll search for the proper extension. If I can find it locally, good thing. If I can't, well, I am not going to a shop or a specialized shop to do this work for me. I've spent already a lot of money on this. I'm doing this myself.